Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mendix Widget Workshop. In our last episode, we looked at how to display static property values in your widget. This time, we are diving into something more powerful, dynamic properties. In this three-part mini-series, we will explore all nine dynamic types starting today with the first three: expression, text template, and action. Let's jump in. So I have already created a widget. If you don't know how to create widget, please watch episode 1 and 2 of this series. So now go to dynamic properties.xml file. Here in this file, we will add some properties. So first we will explore expression property. So change key. I am going to name my expression and the type should be expression and you can select required false, and after that we need to set the return type of this expression. So type return type equals to string. So I want this expression return type as a string. After that you can change the caption as well. Expression dynamic input and save this file. Open the CMD and type command npm run build. So we got some other because we have removed previous property. So we need to change here as well. Copy this key and put it here. And after that, remove this line and return a blank div and console the my expression. And also remove this import. Click on save and go to editor preview.css file. And here also use my expression. And here my expression dot value. Okay, first run the command again. See what again go to the property types. So I think remove the value. Okay, now the error is gone. Again run the command and run build. So the value is created. Go to your Mendix, click on synchronize app directory and go to add-on section. And this is our widget. Drag and drop. Double click on this widget and whenever we change the XML file, we need to update all widgets. So click on update all widgets. Now double click on this. So we have seen the expression input. So click on edit. We can give some input. So currently I'm giving Mendix with me. Okay, click on OK and run. Open your browser and open Inspect tab and go to console. So here we can see object. In the object section, we have two keys, status and value. So in the value, we have achieved the value. Now we need to show this value in our paragraph tag or span tag. So go to your VS Code and in dynamic property types here inside div we can call my expression dot value and click on save. Again build your widget. So build is created. Now again run your application. So here we can see our value. So if you want to give a value from a data widget or data view, so first create an entity in the domain model. So I'm giving name Mendix Widget Helper and attribute name and type string. Click on OK and go to page and drag and drop data view widget. Here first we will create an object of the entity. Click on new city underscore create widget helper. Click on OK. Click on show. Click on OK. Where we can create an object of the entity. Click on OK and return this object, and we can also set some default value. So here I'm writing my name. Click on OK. Okay. Go to your page and drag and drop this widget inside the data view. Double click on this. Click on edit. Here you can see the current object. So I'm giving current object plus and current object slash name plus Mendix width, or I can copy control X this text and write it here. So give some space and click OK. Click OK and rerun the app. So open a browser and here we can see Mendix with Windows C. So we have successfully added a property of expression. Now next we will add our next property, dynamic property, that is text template. So go to VS Code, go to dynamic property types.xml file, copy this, paste it here, and change the key. Type should be text template, and here we don't need return type. In the caption text template dynamic input, and we can remove this. Click on save. Again, rebuild. Now go to Mendix. Click on app, synchronize app directory. Right click and update all widget. Double click on this. So this is our text template field. Here, click on edit. So if you want to show any values, so select an attribute, or you can remove this default value and give the index. So if you give here index 1, so whatever the value of name, it will show here. And click on OK. OK, and run. So open your browser. Oh, we haven't added the code that can show the values in our widget. So first we will add, go to dynamic property and copy the key, and here remove this, inside this, give paragraph tag, paste it key, and dot value. Also paste it here. So here give it question mark because my text template is possibly undefined. Or add another paragraph tag so we can show our my expression value. And here some static text template, or here expression. Click save, rebuild again. Go to Mendix, reason the app, open your browser. So here we can see our attribute value. If you want to add some static content as well as, so you can add here Mendix with, and click on OK. OK, and rerun again. Open. So here we can see Mendix with static text and sequencing is dynamic text. So we have successfully learned how to add expression and text template dynamic property in our widget. Now in the next property, how to call in flow or microflow from our custom widgets. So go to your dynamic property.xml, copy this property, paste it here. Now here we change the key. I'm moving my action and type should be action, and remove this. I'm giving caption on click. Save this file. Go to dynamic property types. First copy this key and paste it here. After that, remove this line, and here we will write const. We need a function const handle click equals to arrow function. Here we will check if my action is available or not. If my action is available, after that we will check we can this action is executable or not. So my action dot can execute. So if you want some suggestion, first run and run build command. This will generate all the types in this dynamic property types props file. So click on this file. Here we can see my action and this type is action value. So now if you after that we will check this microflow or this action is already executable or not. So first my action dot is executing. If this flow or action is already executing, we will not execute our action. So we will here add not condition. So whenever this value is false, we can execute our flow. If this value is true, we cannot execute our action. So after that, inside the if condition, my action dot execute. So this is the syntax for calling an action. After that, we will add here a button submit, and in this button I can give a on click function and do click and click save. After that, run npm run build command. Go to Mendix, click on app, synchronize app directory, right click on the widget, click on update all widget. So here we can see on click function. So by using this on click action, we can do these all the works. So I am going to open a page. So I am creating a new page, blank page. Click on OK and click on show. Click on OK. So in this page, I am going to put a simple text, new page. Click on OK. Now go to home page and save this page and run the app. So the app is running. Open browser. Here we can see the submit button. If I click on this submit button, I am going to a next page. So here I am redirecting to the next page. So if we want to call it flow, so select a call in flow and here create an flow. Click on OK. Click on show. Here, if you want to show a page through an flow, so drag and drop this new page and click on save. Save this page as well and run the app. So now app is running. Go to browser and click on submit. So this is also working. So if you want to call a microflow, click on widget and select a call a microflow and click on microflow. Click on show. So if you want to show a pop-up, show message activity and here you can write action microflow calling. Click on OK. Click on save. Run the app. Go to browser. Right. Click on submit. So action micro calling. So we have learned three properties. First, expression. Second, text template. And third, action. And in the next video, we will learn how to add an attribute property, how to give data from an association, and how to give data from a microflow, nanoflow, or a database. So, thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.